Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about the syllabus of GATE chemistry syllabus. The code is CY chemistry, chemical science. So sections 1, physical chemistry. Structure, postulate of quantum mechanics, operators, time dependent and time independent, Schrodinger equation, Born interpretations, Dirac bracket notations, particle in a box, infinite and finite square whales, concept of tunneling, particle in 1D, 2D and 3D box, applications, harmonic oscillator, harmonic and anharmonic potential, Hermite polynomials, rotational motion, angular momentum operator, rigid rotor, hydrogen and hydrogen-like atom, atomic orbitals, radial distribution functions, multi-electron atom, orbital approximations, electron spin, Pauli exclusion principle, Slater determinants, approximation methods, variation method, and secular determinants, first order perturbation techniques, atomic unit, molecular orbital and chemical bonding, Born-Oppenheimer approximations, valence bond theory, and linear combination of atomic orbitals, molecular orbitals, linear combination of atomic orbital and molecular orbital, LCAO-MO theory. Hybrid orbitals, application of LCAO-MO theory to S2 plus S2 molecular orbital theory of homo and heteronuclear diatomic molecules, Haeckel approximation, and its application in application to annular pi electron system. You have group theory, symmetry elements and operations, point groups and character table, internal coordinates and vibrational modes, symmetry adopted linear combination of atomic orbital, LCAO, MO, construction of hybrid orbitals using symmetry aspects. You have a spectroscopy, atomic spectroscopy, Russell-Sounder coupling, term symbols, and spectral details, origin of selection rule, rotational, vibrational, electronic, and Raman spectroscopy of diatomic and polyatomic molecules, line broadening, Einstein coefficients, relationship of transition moment, integral with molar extinction coefficient and oscillator strength, basic principle of nuclear magnetic resonance, gyromagnetic ratio, chemical shift, nuclear coupling. You have the another chapter, equilibrium, law of thermodynamics, standard states, thermochemistry, thermodynamics functions and their relationship, Gibbs-Helmholtz and Maxwell relationship, and Gibbs-Duhem equation, Van 't Hoff equation, criteria of spontaneity and equilibrium, absolute entropy, partial molar quantities, thermodynamics of mixing, chemical potential, fugacity, activity and activity coefficient, ideal and non-ideal solution, Raoult's law and Henry law, chemical equilibria, dependence of equilibrium constant on temperature and pressure, ionic mobility and conductivity, Debye-Hackel's limiting law, Debye-Hackel's Onsager equations, standard electron potential and electrochemical cell, Nernst equation and its application, relationship between electrode potential and thermodynamics quantities, potentiometric and conductometric titrations, phase rule, Clausius-Clapeyron equation, phase diagram of one component system, carbon dioxide, water, sulfur system, two component system, liquid vapor, liquid and solid system, fractional distillation, azeotropes and eutectic, statistical thermodynamics, microcanonical, canonical and grand canonical ensemble, Boltzmann distribution, partition functions and thermodynamic properties. You have kinetics, topics have been arranged, elementary, parallel, opposing and consecutive reactions, steady state approximation, mechanism of complex reactions, unimolecular reaction, potential energy surface and classical trajectories, concept of saddle point, transition state theory, Eyring equation, thermodynamics aspect, kinetics of polymerization, catalysis, concept and enzyme catalysis, kinetic isotope effect, fast reaction kinetics, relaxation and flow method, diffusion control reactions, kinetic of photochemical and photophysical process, surfaces and interfaces, physiosorptions and chemisorptions, Langmuir, Freundlich, and Brunner, Emmett Taylor, Bate isotherm, surface catalysis, Langmuir, Hinshelwood mechanism, surface tension, viscosity, self-assembly, physical chemistry of colloids, micelles, and macromolecules. Now you have the section 2 inorganic chemistry, main group elements hydride, halide, oxide, oxoacid, nitride, sulfide, shapes and reactivity, structure and bonding of borane, carborane, silicon, silicate, boron nitride, pyrazine, and phosphazine, allotropes of carbon, phosphorus and sulfur, industrial synthesis of compounds of main group elements, chemistry of noble gases, pseudohalogens and interhalogen compound, acid-base concept and principle, Lewis, Bronsted, Hassab, Harshaft acid-base theory, and acid-base catalysis. Now you have transition elements, coordination chemistry, structure and isotherm, theories of bonding, valence bond theory, crystal field theory, and molecular orbital theory, energy level diagram in various crystal field stabilization energy, application of crystal field theory, Jahn-Taylor distortions, electronic spectra of transition metal complexes, spectroscopic term symbol, selection rule, Orgel and Tanabe-Sugano diagram, nephloxitic effects, and Raka parameter, charge transfer spectra, magnetic properties of transition metals complexes, Ray-Dutt and Baylor twist, reaction mechanism, kinetics and thermodynamics, stability, substitution and redox reaction, metal-metal bond, multiple bonds, lanthanides and actinides, recovery, periodic properties, spectra and magnetic properties, organometallic, 18 electrons rule, metal alkyl, metal carbonyl, metal olefin, metal carbenes, complexes, and metallocene. Fluxionality in organometallic complex, types of organometallic reaction, homogeneous catalysis, hydrogenation, hydroformylation, acetic acid, synthesis, metathesis, and olefin oxidation, heterogeneous catalysis, Fischer-Tropsch reaction, Ziegler-Natta polymerizations. Now you have radioactivity, detection of radioactivity, decay process, half-life of radioactive element, fission and fusion process. You have bio-inorganic chemistry, ion, sodium plus and potassium ion, transport, oxygen binding transport, utilization, electron transfer reaction, nitrogen fixation, metalloenzyme containing magnesium, molybdenum, iron, cobalt, copper, and zinc. Solid, you have crystal system and lattice, Miller plans, crystal packing, crystal defect, Bragg's law, ionic crystals, structure of AX, AX2, ABX3 type compounds, spinel, band theory, metal, and semiconductors. Instrumental method of analysis, you have UV visible fluorescence and FTIR spectrophotometry, NMR and ESR spectroscopy, mass spectrometry, atomic absorption spectroscopy, Moss-Baer spectroscopy for iron and tin. You know have the X-ray crystallography, chromatography, including GC and HPLC, electroanalytical method, polarography, cyclic voltammetry, ion selective electrode, thermoanalytical methods. Now, section 3rd, you have organic chemistry, stereochemistry, chirality and symmetry of organic molecules with or without chiral center, and determination of their absolute configuration. Relative stereochemistry in compound having more than one stereogenic center, homotopic, anisotropic, and diastereotropic atoms, groups, and phases. Stereoselective and stereospecific synthesis, conformational analysis of acyclic and cyclic compound, geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism, configuration and conformational effect, atops isomerism, and neighboring group participation on reactivity and selectivity specificity. You have reaction mechanism, basic mechanism concept, kinetic versus thermodynamics control, Hammond postulate, and Curtin-Hammett principle, method of determining reaction mechanism through kinetics, identification of products, intermediate and isotope labeling, linear free energy relationship, Hammett and Taft equation, nucleophilic and electrophilic substitution reaction, both aromatic and aliphatic, addition reaction to carbon-carbon and carbon hetero atoms, multiple bonds, elimination reaction, reactive intermediate, carbocation, carbanion, carbene, nitrine, arines, and free radical molecular rearrangements. You have organic synthesis, reactions, mechanism, and selectivity involving the following classes of compound: alkene, alkyne, serine, alcohols, phenol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, ester, nitrile, halide, nitro groups, amines, and amide. Uses of magnesium, lithium, copper, boron, zinc, phosphorus, sulfur, tin, and silicon-based reagent in organic synthesis. Carbon-carbon bond formation through coupling reaction. Suzuki, Steel, Hake, Sonogashiria, Nigashi, Kumoda, Hiyama, Suji, Torost, olefin metathesis, and McMurray. Concept of multi-step synthesis, retrosynthesis analysis, strategy disconnection, synthons and synthetic equivalent, atom economy and green chemistry, unprolonged reactivity, formyl and acyl anion equivalents, selectivity in organic synthesis, chemo, regio and stereoselectivity, protection and deprotection of functional group, concept of asymmetric synthesis, resolution including enzymatic decimerizations and use of chiral auxiliaries, organocatalysis, carbon-carbon and carbon heteroatoms, bond-forming reaction through enolates, including boron enolates, enamine, acylyl enols, ether, stereoselective addition to carbon double bond oxygen groups, Grahams, Pirilog, and Felkin and models. Now you have the pericyclic reaction and photochemistry, electrocyclic, cycloaddition, sigmatropic reaction, orbital correlation, FMO and PMO treatment, Woodward-Hoffman rules, photochemistry of alkenes, arenes, and carbonyl compound, photooxidation and photoreduction, dipymethane rearrangement, boron McCombie reaction, Norris type 1 and 2 cleavage reaction. Heterocyclic compound, structure, preparation, properties, reaction of furan, pyrrole, thiophene, pyridine, indole, quinoline, and isoquinone. You have biomolecules, structure, properties, and reaction of mono and disaccharides, physiochemical properties of amino acid, chemical synthesis of peptides, chemical structure determination of peptides and protein, structural feature of proteins, nucleic acid, lipids, steroids, terpenoids, carotenoids, and alkaloids. Now, experimental technique in organic chemistry, optical rotation, polarimetry, application of various chromatographic techniques such as thin layer chromatography, HPLC, GC, application of UV visible IR, NMR, and mass spectrometry in the structural determination of organic molecule. So, my friends, I hope this video will be beneficial for you. You have to subscribe my channel so that I am going to upload some materials on organic chemistry, especially on GATE examination for 2020. So if you are really interested to such type of information, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.